So this is just a very quick video. If you found yourself in this situation where you loaded up Roblox Studio and you don't know what this is, and you want to go back to the old studio, I got you covered. So what you want to do is to get back to the old studio, you want to hit File up here. Then you want to go to Beta Features right here. Then it's gonna load for some time. Let me just make this a bit bigger so you can see this better. Why can't I make this bigger? There we go. Okay, so then you want to scroll down until you can see, let me find it here, the next gen studio preview, and you actually want to disable this, and you can keep the new studio camera controls because it's like all right, you can keep it, but disable the next gen studio preview and then just hit save, and then it's gonna tell you to restart. And then once it loads in, as you can see, it's the old thing again. So yeah, I hope you guys got this, and yeah, now you just have the old UI again. I hope I helped you.